sitting outside, listening to the birds, the chickens making fun sounds, just enjoying being out in nature. It's a little difficult because I'm post-surgery, so I have quite a bit of pain, but I do feel like being outside, being close to the trees, the birds, seeing the greenery, the mountains, that it does help the pain. It takes away just the edge of it. Just sitting and letting nature be, and listening and watching, observing. The birds, the sky, the butterflies. Moments come and moments go. I'm trying my best to be in the now, in just this particular moment and this particular time. Not worry about the past or the future. Just observe the green trees, the leaves slowly starting to turn yellow for the fall. The roses that's still flowering, the beautiful colors. The little bugs and flies and butterflies flying around. How the leaves look different when the sun shines on them. It's like they're alive. The colors are so bright and beautiful. Dragonflies and bees fly by. Getting close to the end of the season when you see them. As we are moving closer and closer to winter, less of them. It's going to be out here. I'm enjoying this sun because the rain's supposed to come, which is beautiful for the plants. But it's more difficult to come outside, especially with my bandages on my foot. That I'm grateful for today, for this moment, for the sunshine. And just watching the life that moves around in perfect harmony. And there's a caterpillar walking right in front of me that is so adorable. I'm going to try to see if I can capture it so I can add the picture so you guys can see this lovely caterpillar. Just walking right over here. Oh, life is funny. Because right now I can't walk, and I can't put weight on one of my legs, and it's really fun to see this little. I guess life and nature always send us the gifts that we need. It sure does. Right now, I'm just trying to focus on being grateful that the pain is better than yesterday, that I have the ability, even on one foot, to come out and sit out in nature for a few minutes and observe and enjoy everything around me. I love the beautiful greens and yellows and browns and all the different shades that nature brings out. I just wanted to share a few moments with everyone. And thank you so much for being here and listening to this. And hopefully you get a chance to go out in nature today and have some observations and just listen and feel the wind and the sun on your skin. and look at the beautiful colors and animals that show up in your life when you need them. Have a beautiful day. Till I see or hear from you next time, Gabriella signing off. May your day be joyful, beautiful, and grateful as always.